Hello and welcome to Dhyey Consulting's Vendor OTIF Analysis Power BI app. At Dhyey, we have set out to implement projects that help you monetize your data. We design apps and dashboards focusing on leading KPIs and tailor our solutions specific to processes businesses like yours seek to optimize. You can now employ historical data and often incorporate external factors to generate actionable insights that can help you navigate your day-to-day business activities and refine your strategies in a rapidly changing environment. This dashboard helps you identify your most reliable vendors by analyzing their on-time in full delivery performance, supporting smarter procurement decisions. You can track how each vendor has performed, whether deliveries were full or partial, early, late, or on time. This helps you clearly see which vendors consistently meet expectations and which ones frequently miss delivery windows. Like this, you can optimize vendor selection, reduce delays, and strengthen your overall supply chain planning.